The famous Kecak and fire dance of Bali. In this dance, these guys performs the epic Ramayana in which God Ram kills the evil Ravana. This is a UNESCO World Heritage named Jatilvi Rice Terraces. This is the biggest rice terrace in Bali, comprise over 600 hectares of rice fields that follow the flowing hillside topography of the Batukaru mountain range. The village covers an area of 22.3 kilometers, host of 7 subuks, each subuk coordinated by one master water controller. To get to Jatilvahu from Kuta, Samanaik, Danpanasar and Kangu, it takes approximately 2 hours ride on a car drive or a scooter. And from Ubud to Jatilvahu rice fields, it takes around 1.5 hours. Thinking where to stay in Bali, here is a video of our resort in the Bali, which was adjacent to the rice fields of Tanglang. You can simply enter the room, sit, relax on your bed, and see the rice fields sitting enjoying the coffee. Planning to have a relaxed trip to Bali, book a resort in Ubud. Kuta is a crowded place where you can have party. The famous Tirth Ganga. If you want to bury your sins in the holy water, then you need to take this bath. It is available in few of the temples of Bali. Balinese architecture can also be seen in its temples, which varies from temple to temple. Every temple you need to wear a sarong, that is a cloth in which you need to wear below your waist. Every temple has its own color of sarong which you need to wear before entering the temple. They say that helps in keeping their god happy. Thinking what to eat in Bali? Subscribe this channel, like the video for more.